Okay, so this is how to multiply a mixed number and a whole number. Okay, number 1 example is 2 and 1, 6 times 3. 2 and 1, 6 is a mixed number and 3 is a whole number. So the first step is to change 2 and 1, 6 to improper fraction. Okay, so to change 2 and 1, 6 to improper fraction, okay, we're going to follow this format. Okay, first, we multiply 6 times 2 plus the numerator 1 all over the denominator 6. Okay, 6 times 2 is 12 plus 1 is 13 over 6. Okay, and then the next step is to multiply 13 over 6 and 3. So we have now 13 over 6 times whole number 3. The denominator of whole number is 1. So we have 3 over 1. And then the next step is to multiply their numerators. So 13 times 3 is 39. And then to multiply their denominator, 6 times 1 is 6. Okay, so 39 over 6 is improper fraction. So we're going to change that improper fraction to mixed number. We're going to simplify. Okay, so to simplify, we have to divide 39 in 6. So we have now 39 divided by 6. 39 divided by 6 is 6. 6 times 6 equals 36. Then subtract 39 minus 36 is 3. Okay, our quotient is 6 and 6 is our whole number. And then we're going to rewrite 6 as whole number. Okay, and then another one, we have 3. 3 is our numerator. Okay, and write 3 over 6 is now the denominator. Okay, and then we're going to rewrite 6. So now we have 6 and 3, 6. Okay, and then we simplify 3 over 6 and we divide it by 3, which is the greatest common factor. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So we write 1 and 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Okay, so now we have 6 and 1 half. And that is our final answer. Okay, and that is how to multiply a mixed number and a whole number.